Hi guys! Do you want to know some workout that can replace high-intensity cardio? Do you always have a dream about having beach-ready body but did not know how to start? Well, you are just on the right track, so stay tuned until the end because in this video, we will spill some 7 simple exercises that are perfect in any level of physical condition which you can absolutely try to do in just 5 minutes. Hi everyone! Welcome to Amazing Ideas, where we will share some tips and ideas in natural ways to become healthy, wellness, home remedies, natural care, natural cure, and some ways and means to stay safe and healthy. And always remember, life is beautiful. Plank is an effective core training that can improve stability, maintain mobility, and reduce injury. There are various kinds of planks such as side plank, reverse plank, front or full plank, which is the most common, the hand and toe plank, one leg plank, human flag plank, and weighted planks. Plank is well known for its 4 major strength benefits, and they are: improves your posture, strong back, a toned belly, and increases your flexibility. If you want to achieve that slimmer and fitter body in the mirror, all you need to do is to plank. It is preferable that you should do it in the morning when you have full energy and are still fresh. You will be surprised at the results possibly in just 30 days. Yes, you heard me right. So let us start the steps to transform your body right away. But before we start, please thumbs up if you like, share, subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and click the notification bell below so that you will be updated every time we upload a new video. Let's start off with number 1, full plank. All you have to do is to lay down on your stomach on the floor, then lift your body with your arms straight and your toes and hold it in 60 seconds horizontally. You need to balance the elbows and toes while holding your body in a straight line, head to heels, and remember to breathe normally. Keep in mind that you should distribute evenly your weight between your elbows and toes. Plank will not only strengthen your abs but also work hand strengths and your glutes. Because of that, plank is considered one of the greatest exercises for core conditioning. Number 2, elbow plank. Stick to the same position on your stomach and then lift your body and your elbows and toes and hold it in a horizontal direction. You need to be in balance. By doing that, you start lifting up yourself and on the side of your foot pile up to the top of the other leg foot for a better balance on one hand, and do not forget to breathe normally. The target of the side plank is the abdominals, hip muscles, back, and obliques. Do this plank for 30 seconds. Plank is one of the most fundamental poses of yoga, so rest assured that it is definitely healthy for your body and will make your day more energized. Number 3, raised leg plank. To do the raised leg plank, you need to start doing first the full plank and support your body in the position of elbow plank. Brace yourself by making sure that the abdominals are tight and then lift your right leg for the level of your glutes. Do this for a certain period of time and then change it to the other leg and breathe normally. You need to normally breathe since your muscle needs to receive oxygen. Holding your breath will increase your blood and abdominal pressure that can have harmful effects on your body. Aside from working on your abs, neck, back, chest, and shoulders, the one-leg raised plank will strengthen your back thighs and glutes. Please give us an opinion so that we will know if you get some ideas and enjoying the video. Also, if the video is important to you and to your health. And by the way, please don't forget to leave a thumbs up to help the channel. Number 4, left side plank. In order to do the left side plank, you need to obviously lie on your left side and place the left elbow on the ground with knees straight and push your bottom and waist up. Your body should be in a diagonal line to balance your arms and feet, and most importantly is to breathe normally. Do the left side plank for only 30 seconds, and this practice will keep your waist thin and makes the abdominal side muscles stronger. This position also strengthens the arms and shoulders. Number 5, right side plank. Obviously, after doing the left side, it is time to do the opposite. Lie on your right side and place the right elbow on the ground and make sure that your knees are straight and push your bottom and waist up. Do it for 30 seconds only. Just the same method for the left side. Your body should be in a diagonal line to balance your arms and feet, and most importantly is to breathe normally. Number 6. Full plank. We will go back to the first step, which is the full plank. Just repeat in lifting your body on your arms straight and toes and hold it for 30 seconds horizontally. The body should feel solid, so make sure your palms are just right under your shoulders. Last but not the least is number 7, elbow plank. The last is probably familiar because it is already repeated, which is the elbow plank. You need to keep this position for 60 seconds. The elbow plank will strengthen your spine, your abdominal muscles, your rhomboids, and trapezius. As they grow in strength, they also result in strong posture naturally. So, here is the summary of your daily workout plan. The first step is 60 seconds of full plank. Second is 30 seconds of elbow plank. Next is the one leg or raised leg plank, for which can be done for another 30 seconds. Then the left side or right side plank for 30 seconds. And lastly, repeat the full or frontal plank for 30 seconds and another 30 seconds for elbow plank. In conclusion, you can do this workout well for 5 minutes, and the reason why we do such thing as plank is because it develops a stronger core region and its variations can be done by anyone. If you are looking for a high intensity cardio, then this workout is probably the best to try on. So, what do you think about the video that we shared? Comment below to share your ways on how this video imparted to your health. And don't forget to share this video to your friend to keep them motivated. And also, click that subscribe button to know some amazing ideas that we will share. Thanks for watching. See you on our next video. And always remember, life is beautiful.